Okay, so much festival we do on the festivals. We celebrate. We do the what we say, the dresses, new dresses we wear. We go outside. We meet to the friends, and we visit to the temples, and we eat so many things that day. We eat sweets. Yes, we eat too much of sweets that day. Okay, the high calorie food we eat that day. Yes. Yes, now children. Okay, we finished off the chapter. You all understood that chapter now. That is too fun. Okay, what is the chapter? The festivals. Festivals are, it's like a fun only. The festivals means it's not like a load or it's not like any work. We do the fun that day. We celebrate it together. We work together. We be together and we smile together. Okay. Now, after finishing our chapter, we'll move on to the next one. That is, we'll do the exercise part, children. Okay. The last time we finished off the chapter. Now, we'll do the exercise. Okay. In that, A में, the first one, color the boxes in red. Which is correct now that we have to color it with a what color? Red color. Okay. What color we have to color, children? Red color. Okay. The first question. What is the first question? The festival that is celebrated at the end of 30 days of fasting. 30 days of fasting. I told you in the previous class only. They do the too much of 1 month festival. They will celebrate with the being fasted. Okay. The being fasting. Okay. They will not have anything. They will not drink even 1 drop of water also. Which is that festival, children? Yes. They given an option. First one, Christmas they given. The second one is Eid al-Fitr. Okay. Which is the answer? The second one, the B. Which is the answer? B. Eid al-Fitr. Okay. This is the first answer. Now we'll move on to the second question. What is the second question? Sevain is made on Diwali or again the same option Eid. Okay. When we celebrate, when we prepare the sevain, we prepare it on the Eid. Okay. The answer is same again. That is third one. We'll move on to the third one now. Special trees are decorated with the lights and gifts on. Special tree will be there and they decorate the tree with so much of lightning, so much of cakes, so not cakes, chocolates, so much of gifts hanged on that. Okay, they prepare it so nicely. They decorate it with so much of flowers, so much of lightning. Which festival is that? Diwali or Christmas? Which festival it is? Diwali or Christmas? It is a Christmas. Fourth one. Now, next question. Diwali is also known as a festival of dash. Diwali is also known as a what? The festival of what, children? Festival of lights. Festival of lights. They are given an option there. Diwali is also known as a festival of lights or colors. Which is it is? It is a festival of lights, children. Holi is a festival of colors. Yes. Holi is a festival of colors. But Diwali is a festival of lights. So much of lightning will be there that day. Now, next one. Pongal is also called Diwali or Sankranti. The first month we celebrate on the every year the first festival that is Sankranti only. But in that area they call it as a what? Pongal. What is that? Sankranti. Sankranti. Okay. These are answers of your 1st May. Okay. Fill in the color the boxes with which color? Red color. You have to color. Will you color it, children? Yes. You have to color it with a red color. Which is correct now? That you have to color with red. Okay. Next one. We'll move on to the next question. That is answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Okay. Just I will read it, children. Okay. I am not writing it on the board. You have to copy all the remaining things from here. Question and answers I will send you in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Please remind us when we forgot to send you. Okay. Because in some other work we forgot to send you also. That time please remind us. Okay. Then we'll send you. Okay. If we sent already, then leave it. If we not, then please remind the teachers to send the answers. Okay. Now, name 2 things people do on Diwali. On Diwali, what we do, children? 2 things we do. What we do? People decorate their houses with so much of lights and lamps. In Martino Diwali dina, fully the whole house will be light and the colorful we see. Lamping and lightning, everything we do on the Diwali. And what we do on the Deepavali, we prepare so much of sweet things, okay? So much of sweet things we prepare, and just we call our friends to eat that sweets. Just to eat the sweets we call, or we invite the friends and our family members to eat, okay? Just to share that all things. Okay, on Diwali what we do, children? We light whole house, lamp it, and after that we prepare so much of sweet things and greet others to have that all things. Next one, next question. When is Christmas celebrated? When we celebrate the Christmas, children? Yes, we celebrate the Christmas on 25th December. It is the last month of our whole year. This is the last month, December. On that 25th, we celebrate the Christmas. The Christmas Eve. We celebrate it on 25th December. Next question. How do people celebrate Eid? How we celebrate the Eid? They do 1 whole month fasting without having water. They be in empty stomach whole month. After 1 day, after seeing the moon, what they do? They celebrate it with so much of sweet things they will prepare. The Sivain, I told you, Sivain. And the next one, what they do? They go to the mosque to pray. Okay, they will pray and they will wish others. What they will do? They wish others. Okay. Next one. Write 2 lines on Onam. Onam. I told you Onam. They celebrate on the on what? Which king he is? Mahabali. The king Mahabali. Because of him, they started celebrating the Onam. Okay. The king Mahabali. They believed that he visits to the earth to what we say, to do the wellness to people. Okay, so they believe that, and on that day Onam, what they do? They do the racing of boat, snake boat racing they will do. Okay, that will be too nice. And they do the flower rangolis. Everyone do the flower rangoli in front of their houses, and they decorate whole houses with the flowers. So much of different colors of flowers they will. Okay, now we finished off the question and answers, and we finished off the what? First main, that is tick the correct answers. Now we'll do tick the things you do during festivals. On festivals, what all things we do? Is it correct or no? We have to see and we have to tick correct to the correct. Okay. First one, what? Wear new clothes. We all wear the new clothes on festivals now? Yes, we all we do the pujas that day, na? So we have to brush and we have to bath. So the second one is wrong. Third one, share sweets with friends. Yes, we have to share sweets. What all we prepared it na? We have to share with our friends and family members. Yes. Next one, eat good food. Eat good food. Yes, we have to eat good food. Next one, wish each other a happy festivals. Yes, we have to wish others to up on festivals. We have to greet them nicely. We have to wish them nicely. That is a good manners, children. If we scold them or if we irritate them, that will be the not good for you and good for others also. Okay. Next one, fight with your neighbors. No, we don't have to fight with neighbors on festivals. We have to be calm and we have to, whatever things they will do, they will they will use the cracker and they will irritate you, but don't get anger and don't show your anger on them. Okay, be cool and enjoy the festivals. Okay. Next one, visit friends and relatives. Yes, visit friends and relatives. Visit them to come your home and have a sweets for all the things. Visit them or else you could go and visit their houses. Next one, ninth one. Invite friends and relatives, neighbors to your house. Yes, invite your friends, family members to your house on the festivals. Yes, true. Next, last one, donate food, clothes or money to the poor and needy. If you want to donate it, please donate it on the festivals, because they don't have, some people don't have even, they don't have one time meal also. They don't have one time meal also. So at least donate them. Okay. Poor people, donate to the poor people your food, extra clothes if you have, or money if you have, then share with them. Okay, they will also be happy and you will also feel happy. Okay, these are the some of the exercise we saw it today, na children. Yes, now we'll move on to the next one. What is next one? See, next is life skill. See the life skill now. Many people get burn injuries on Diwali because they were not careful around fire. Okay, what we do on the festivals, we all use crackers. Okay, and they will not get afraid of that all things. They will mourn and they will get injuries. So about that, correct the things you should do when celebrating Diwali. Most of we use the crackers on the Diwali, okay, but it is too dangerous if you don't know about it. Okay, when you are fully practiced, or if you know everything how to crack it or how to use the fire, then only we have to. That also with the help of your parents. Don't do it alone, or don't do these all things when you are alone. Okay, first one, light firecrackers inside the room. No, never you have to do that. When you are outside now, then only you have to use the crackers. When we because inside your house, what will be, the gas will be there, current wires will be there. Yes, that if they get little bit of fire, your whole house will be burnt. So use it outside, that also in the careful places. Okay, in the careful places. Do not go too close to burning lamp. Yes, do not go too close to the burning lamp. Okay, you will get burnt your hands. Always let an adult help to light a firecracker. Yes, you have to take a help of your adults. Okay, your parents. Take a help of them. Play with a lit candle. Play with a what? Lit candle. Yes, play with a what? Lit candle means what? The small. Don't do that. Okay, you will get injured. Your fingers or your hands, so don't play with them. Always keep the firecrackers in a closed box. Yes, always keep a firecrackers in a closed pack. Don't keep it outside or keep it or near the fire. Okay, they will suddenly, if they start cracking now, you will get the injuries, or you will make others to get injured. Okay, please keep it in the closed box. Okay, next one, values for life. What is your favorite festival? Why is it celebrated? What do you learn from it? Your favorite festival, and how you will celebrate it, and what you learn from that, you have to think and you have to write, children, because your thought will be different and my thought will be different. So which is your favorite festival? Think of it and write. Okay, next one, the horse, and the next one we'll do it in the next class. Okay, please complete these all things, and question and answers I will send you in the WhatsApp group. Okay, children, will you complete it? Yes. Okay, we'll meet you in the next class. Please complete and visit your school to give the fair notes. Okay, children, we'll meet you in the next class. Bye.